The corridors of power in Zimbabwe are currently echoing with a word that has become the most dangerous label in the country's political vocabulary: unpatriotic. What started as a whisper in the high ward offices of Harare has now exploded into a full-blown internal war within the ruling ZANU-PF party, following a series of high-stakes strategic seminars held in Harare and Gweru. President Emmerson Mnangagwa has drawn a line in the sand, leaving many senior officials wondering if their names are on a secret list or those marked for political execution. Zabina mashikobdanyo kwapangwa ino achinzi ZANU-PF internal wars, the secret list of unpatriotic party members facing the X. Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. At the heart of this intensifying infighting is the controversial plan to extend the presidency rule until 2030, while the cabinet has already given its nod to the draft law. The real battle is not happening in parliament, but inside the party's own boardroom. The unpatriotic label is no longer just about those who criticize the country from abroad. It has been repurposed as the sharp-edged weapon to prune the party of anyone who dares to question the 2030 agenda. During the recent strategic seminar for Central Committee members at the Gweru Convention Center, the atmosphere was described by insiders as frosty and tense. President Mnangagwa, usually known for his soft and silky persona, was anything but soft. He appeared visibly frustrated as he slammed what he called unruly party members whose actions are threatening the party's stability. But it was when the president switched to Shona that the message became truly personal. For those who do not follow the nuances of the party language, this was a direct loyalty test. He was asking them, let us ask ourselves where we sit. Are we faithful leaders to our party? Are we committed to saving the party? And the majority of Zimbabwe truly, we are obliged to be leaders who stand with our party at all times. In the world of ZANU-PF, standing with the party is now synonymous with supporting the 2030 extension. The tension was further heightened by the noticeable absence of Vice President Kosano Chiwenga from some of the key gatherings. In Zimbabwean politics, an empty chair often speaks louder than 1,000 words. Rumors of a fierce succession power struggle between the president and his deputy have moved from the shadows into the spotlight. The infighting has deeply divided both the party and the government, with the rival factions now openly at odds. Doma developments are become the ruling party ZANU-PF. In the comment section, videos are full of emo to leap on subscribe or like, catch it on the bell icon.